Well, first you gotta open the Airbnb app or visit Airbnb.com and sign into your account you use to book. And tap the trips tab, find your upcoming reservation and select it to view the details. On the reservation screen, tap Contact Host to open the in-app messaging window tied to your booking. Write a friendly greeting, hi, brackets host name, and then remind them of your arrival date and clearly ask your question, whether it's about check-in instructions, parking, or house rules. Now, when you're done, tap send. Now, you will receive a notification in the app and via email as soon as your host replies, and you can revisit the conversation anytime under inbox. Now, if this made connecting with your host simple, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick travel tips. Hey guys, if you got any questions related to any videos or anything that you want me to make a video on about, drop that in the comment section below as well. And until then, y'all take it easy, take care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the ring and hit the bell icon as well. Until then, yep, see you in the next video.